How to fix Instagram story music not working. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you if how you can fix if your Instagram music sticker isn't loading songs or if it says no music available. First, you can start off by checking your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable enough internet. So just toggle your Wi-Fi, turn it off, wait for a few seconds, turn it back on. You can also try to toggle airplane mode, which will help you fix the issue. Once you have done that, you can directly go over to Instagram and see if your music is working. If it's not working, then all you have to do is find and turn on your professional account because in some profiles you need to turn it into a Uh, personal account if you are on a business account or vice versa. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, tap on menu. You just need to make sure that you have turned off your private account. So let's just make it public for now. Tap on switch to public and you're going to be good to go. The next step is to clear Instagram's app cache. You can do that by going over to long press on Instagram, tap on the I button, go to storage, tap on clear cache. As you can see, it has almost 800 megabytes of cache, so I'll just clear it. And then you can try to restart your phone. Tap on restart and you're good to go. If you're connected to any VPNs or proxy, just make sure to turn that off as well. And if none of that works, uninstall Instagram and reinstall it back again to fix the problem. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.